So I want to give you 5 easy gardening tips to get you growing. Part 1. So the very first thing you want to do is decide what you want to plant before you even plant it, which goes into number 2. Does that plant require full sun, part shade, or partial sun? You need to know this before you place your plant around your area. Number 3, if you're growing a vegetable, what season should it be grown in? Is it a cool season vegetable or is it a heat loving vegetable? Can it tolerate frost or does it not tolerate frost? Number 4, no matter if you're gardening in ground, raised beds, or containers, you definitely want to use some type of mulch. The mulch is going to help with the moisture, keeping the moisture in, and it's also going to help with weeds. Weeds are definitely not my favorite. Number 5 is you definitely want to get a schedule to where you are checking your plants for pests. You want to check on top of the leaves, under the leaves, around the soil, so that if you do have any pest issues, then you will get to them before they start to get too far along in the growing process and know how to remedy them. Now, if you want more gardening tips like this, make sure you follow us for more and also stay tuned for part 2.